Problem-solving, subtraction. Sometimes more information is provided than is necessary. Read the problem carefully and use only the information that is needed to solve the problem. To work the problem, first, underline the question. Second, cross out the information that you do not need. Third, solve the problem. Let's look at this example. Sandra had $43.45 in her purse. She spent $13.14 for medicine. Sandra gave the druggist a $20 bill. How much money was returned to her? First, let's underline the question so we know what's being asked. How much money was returned to her? We need to know how much money was returned to her from the druggist, not what was left in her purse. So the important information is how much money she gave to the druggist and how much she spent. The money that Sandra had in her purse is not important to this problem. We cross it out so that we're not confused later on. Our next step is to solve the problem. We want to know how much money was returned to her, so we're going to subtract $20 minus the $13.14. It is important here to put your placeholder zeros for the $20 so that the decimal points are lined up. We are going to subtract lining our decimal point up, and we find that Sandra should be getting $6.86 back from her druggist. Let's check our work by adding these two. 0, carry the 1. Our $20 matches the $20 we started with. We know we have a correct answer of $6.86.
We're taking off on a jet from Midway Airport in Chicago. Now we're flying over Chicago. Beyond is Lake Michigan. Up on the sky deck of Sears Tower was this information about Chicago. City population, 2,780,000. Chicagoland, 8,066,000. What is the difference in population between the city of Chicago and the metropolitan area of Chicago? Let's do the math. Population of Chicagoland is 8,066,000. City population of Chicago is 2,780,000. Let's subtract the difference. 0, 0, 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. We can't subtract 8 from 6, so if to borrow from the millions column, makes this a 7. Put a 10 in the hundred thousands column. Now we can borrow from it. Makes this a 9. 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the difference between Chicagoland and the city population is 5,286,000.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.